Hello foodies, welcome to Potatoes. This is Vamshi back with another yummy recipe which is of snacks, evening snacks. This is grilled chili cheese sandwich which is very cheesy, creamy and also crispy. So to make that, I've taken 1/4 cup of processed cheese in which I'm going to grate some 3 medium sized garlic. You can also roast the garlic to make and infuse more flavor to the filling. So then I'm going to remove all the stick garlic from the grater, by which we need not waste any of the things. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. You can add more seasonings like pizza and ground, that's up to you. Then I've taken 2 bread slices and I'm going to remove the corners so that I can make my sandwich soft and a crispier side, not making it hard. So removing the corners is totally optional. You can keep it or you can remove it, that's up to you. Then I'm going to apply some butter to the surface of the bread. By applying butter, your sandwich will become crispy and soft. Then I'm going to assemble my bread slices with the filling. For that, I've taken a spoon. This is a spatula. The spatula, keeping the buttered side down bread, I'm going to add some of my filling to the bread. Then I'm going to place the spatula to spread all the filling. Then I'm going to place another bread slice and I'm going to press it a little bit. So then I'm going to roast it on medium flame heated pan only for 30 to 40 seconds roughly, or till the brown, like the down part becomes brown. See here, if you roast the bread on correct heat, your sandwich turn or the end product will be like this. It will be very crispy and of course it is very tasty. So that's it. When you cook the other side, you're done. See, by the way, if you like my recipe, so don't forget to try my recipe. You can also check my recipes in Hindi and Telugu also. So by the way, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and my another recipes by clicking the playlist. Thank you.